Hello. Today I would like to talk about James Watt, the brilliant engineer who revolutionized the steam engine and played a key role in the Industrial Revolution. Let's know it. James Watt was born on January 19, 1736, in Greenock, Scotland. His father was a shipbuilder and businessman, and his mother was well educated, which influenced his early learning. As a child, Watt was often sick, but he showed a great interest in mathematics and mechanics. He spent much of his time experimenting with tools in his father's workshop. At the age of 18, he moved to Glasgow to study instrument making. He later traveled to London to train as a mathematical instrument maker. After returning to Scotland, he established a small workshop at the University of Glasgow. There, he repaired scientific instruments and met many leading intellectuals. In 1763, he was asked to repair a Newcomen steam engine, which was widely used at the time. He noticed that it was highly inefficient and wasted a lot of energy. This observation led him to develop a new steam engine with a separate condenser, which dramatically improved efficiency. This became the foundation of his greatest invention. Watt's innovation reduced fuel consumption and made steam engines more practical for industry. However, he lacked the financial resources to build and market his engine. In 1775, he partnered with Matthew Boulton, a wealthy businessman and industrialist. Together, they established Boulton and Watt, a company that manufactured steam engines. Their improved steam engine revolutionized many industries, including mining, textiles, and transportation. It became the driving force behind the Industrial Revolution. Watt continued improving his design and introduced the rotative steam engine, which could power machinery in factories. This helped automate production processes. He also invented the double-acting engine, which increased power output and efficiency. His engines soon replaced older steam engines in many industries. Another major contribution was his development of the steam pressure indicator, which allowed engineers to monitor engine performance. Watt introduced the horsepower unit to measure engine power. This term is still used today to describe the power of engines and motors. His steam engines were widely used in factories, mills, and later in locomotives and ships. This innovation helped shape the modern world. Although Watt did not invent the steam engine, his improvements made it practical and efficient. He is often credited with playing a key role in the Industrial Revolution. Watt retired from business in 1800, leaving his company to his sons and business partners. However, he continued to work on scientific projects in his later years. He was honored for his contributions to engineering and industry. Many universities and scientific societies recognized his work. Watt passed away on August 25, 1819, at the age of 83. He was buried in Birmingham, England, where he had spent much of his career. His legacy lives on in many ways, including the Watt, the unit of power named in his honor. This unit is used worldwide in physics and engineering. James Watt's steam engine paved the way for modern power generation. His work influenced later developments in transportation, manufacturing, and energy. His contributions helped transform society from an agricultural economy to an industrial one. His inventions made mass production and mechanization possible. Watt's ideas inspired future generations of engineers and inventors. His work laid the foundation for railways, steamships, and even modern power plants. The Boulton and Watt Company continued producing steam engines long after his retirement. His partnership with Boulton remains one of the greatest business collaborations in history. His impact on technology and industry is still felt today. Without his improvements to the steam engine, the world might have taken much longer to industrialize. Many statues and memorials honor James Watt, including one in Westminster Abbey, London. His name is also found in streets, buildings, and institutions worldwide. Watt was not only an inventor, but also a skilled scientist and entrepreneur. He understood both the technical and business aspects of engineering. His ability to solve problems through careful observation and innovation made him one of history's greatest engineers. His steam engine was just one of many improvements he made. Today, he is remembered as a pioneer of mechanical engineering. His work remains an essential part of the history of science and industry. James Watt's story is one of curiosity, perseverance, and groundbreaking innovation. His contributions changed the world forever. The influence of a steam engine can still be seen in modern energy systems. He laid the groundwork for the expansion of global trade and industry. His innovations helped create the modern economy. Watt's name is forever linked to progress, engineering, and scientific advancement. His legacy continues to inspire new generations of inventors and engineers.